In this video, I'm going to show you how we can turn on DALL-E in ChatGPT. When we turn on DALL-E, we are giving ChatGPT the ability to generate images straight from this app without having to leave it. So the first thing you need to do is to go to settings, and the settings option is on your top right, and then choose the customize ChatGPT. And from here, scroll down until you get to this option here, ChatGPT capabilities, and look for DALL-E option. As you can see, when we turn this on, ChatGPT will be able to generate images using DALL-E. So go ahead and tap on it to turn it on, and then click on save to keep the changes. So by doing so now, the function of creating image will come live, and therefore you can now generate or create your images straight from ChatGPT. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.